doing a no foundation video conference makeup routine. You got your Zoom meeting, you've got your Skype, whatever you have going on, you want to look camera ready. So that's what this routine is going to be. We are not using foundation, but we are almost doing a full face. And I'm just going to show you a way you can do a full face without having to put foundation on as well, especially if you're not going to be leaving the house and you just want to be presentable for that screen. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Olay Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. Love this. This is loaded with vitamin C. To me, it helps to combat shine, but also gives your skin this beautiful, bright, natural glow. And so we're using that all over. You can use this primer alone, just like as a moisturizer, like we just did, or you can use it under your foundation as well. Next, we're gonna go into the brows. I'm using the MAC Brow Styler. I love this. It's just the dual end spoolie and pencil. And so first I'm just going to brush these brows. The nice thing about when you're getting ready to go on Zoom or some sort of video conference, your brows don't have to be perfect. The camera's not going to pick up every detail like this camera will. So you can just kind of fill in a little bit above and underneath your brow. If you've been quarantined like I have, you haven't been able to go get your brows done, and it has been rough. But hey, we are maintaining, we are healthy, so we're not going to focus on that. We are going to pull this off for the sake of our Zoom. Like so. We're also going to go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. It's like a little marker, and it has those little edges that just help to give your brow a nice, natural, chiseled look. As if you just left the salon, even though you did not. We're keeping it very simple again. We are doing what we can to just enhance what we're working with. Gonna go in with the Anastasia brow gel and just set these really simple brows. And now I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer in the shade Caramel and give my brows that appearance of having been waxed. Blend this in with your finger, or you could use a brush. I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just set it a little bit more because we're not using any foundation for this routine. Okay, next I'm going to use that same concealer just to kind of keep things simple and put a little on my lids. I'm going to use this as my primer today because again, it shouldn't be complicated. You just want something you can do for at home and still look beautiful and presentable. Now I'm going in with my Domonique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. This palette is gorgeous. If you haven't already seen it, love, love, love it. And I'm going into the kind of peachy color and a little bit of this brown. I'm just going to use this on my eyes. And same thing on the other side. I love this palette. The colors are very flattering, very beautiful, and a little goes a long way. Actually went a little more than I would have wanted to, but that's okay. You can just blend that. Now, the next thing I want to show you is by the Lip Bar. It's a bronzer and blush duo in the shade Just Got Paid. And I'm actually going to use a little bit of the blush on my lids. Just like so. I love these. These are, again, for face, but you could also use them on your eyes. Anywhere really to highlight your face. The colors are just so gorgeous. Look at that. And then I'm going back in my Latte 2 palette and I'm going to put a little of the gold color just in the middle of that. Just like that. We want this routine to be quick, beautiful, but still look polished. I'm going in with my Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. This is my favorite mascara right now. It's so good. Look at that. Look at the difference. Boom. Lash Brag. So good. Next, we're going in with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I love this liner. It's a great price and it lasts all day long. So now, let's wake up the face. I'm going in with my Tarte Concealer, Shade Tape, pretty iconic. I'm going in with Tan Deep Sand. And because I'm not doing any foundation, I'm gonna take this out a little bit further than I normally would, just to give myself a little bit more coverage. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight up here. Not that I need any, as you can see, it's shiny. We're gonna go ahead and blend this out with our Beauty Blender. And then we're gonna get ready to set this powder with one of my favorite setting powders from Bakerie. We're using the Cassava setting powder, Bakerie. It's so good. If you've never used it, you absolutely must try it. It's so light and it's just, I love it. I love the formula. And I'm putting that in right with my Beauty Blender. And I'm gonna also take this time to take just a little fine brush and dip it in some of the powder. And since we're not using foundation, we're just going to take away some of the excess shine on the rest of my face. And kind of go back in. Okay, next we're going to warm up the face. This is the Fenty Cream Bronzer in Teddy, and I love it. It really warms up the face nicely, especially when we're not wearing any foundation. You don't need it with this. Look at that. Going on the other side. Just warming it up. Don't be afraid to do a little down here too, and a little on the forehead as well. Boom. We're also going to go in with the Fenty Cream Blushes. I'm obsessed with these as well. The colors I'm going in with are Summertime Wine and Drama Class. These are so cool. I love, like, they're so portable. They're small. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna blend this out. As you can see, I'm not even gonna dip it twice. I'm just gonna one dip, Blend it out with my larger blush brush. And then I'm gonna go in with Drama Class, which is so fun. Such a fun color and name for it too. And next we're going in back to Beauty Bakerie with our highlight. This is my favorite highlighter. As you can see, I've reached pan on it. Coffee and Cocoa palette. It's so gorgeous. So we're going in with that gold. And we're gonna put a little in the brow too. Same thing over here. Love this highlighter. So again, Beauty Bakerie setting spray, love this. Or baking spray as they call it. You know, the whole theme is baking. So we're gonna put this on. It smells like cupcakes, ice cream, vanilla frosting. It's wonderful. And that is going to set the look for us. Again, we didn't use any foundation, but the face is almost complete. We're gonna go in with our Maybelline lip liner. This shade is Wild Violets, and this is the Lip Bar Matte Lipstick in Prom Queen. And it's super pretty if you've never seen it. Look at that, one dip. A little goes such a long way with this lip product. And that's gonna stay on for hours. It's like amazing. So that's it, guys. We are ready for that video call. We're ready for Zoom. We're ready for Google Meet. We're ready for Microsoft Teams. You name it, we are ready for it. This is my no foundation video conference makeup routine. We did that in really under 10 minutes and we are ready to roll. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.